Yeah, the stream stopped midway because of the internet issues, but we have to reach to our goal of 1 hour every single day of testing. So let's get it to 1 hour. We were remaining with 23 minutes. So let's keep going. Now, let's see how the next day looks like. Nope, next day now. Okay. So after price run these highs here, it failed to reach this daily high, which had the gap, and then starts to retrace lower, which you can see it retraced into this gap here. So I would like to see it probably continue holding price bullish. And if I'm expecting price to be bullish, obviously I must have some draws, which as of now I can see that this unfilled 4 hour is a very great draw on liquidity. And yeah, that's basically it. We are in our daily gap, so we don't need any gap here confirmations. So we also have a run on liquidity here, and price is pushing higher, so I think longs might play out today. As of now, we get a very crazy run lower, and checking the 15 minute, we have a run on this low here. I'd like to see it head to these, all the way to these lows, but it failed to does so. We still have some SMTs though. I would like to see if longs play out on the day, but we don't have any inversion here, so I would rather stay out, because and even after all of that it ends up failing, so it doesn't go all the way higher. So sometimes the confluences just don't show up to protect us from taking any bad trades. There's this thing that I heard that says trades are like a fart. If you forced it, then it's probably shit. Yeah, anyways, 15 minute looks like we have some good rolls here, but after this run on liquidity and a 15 minute gap rejection, I obviously should expect price to go lower. Now I don't have any bearish draws, that's the problem, but I don't know, maybe this low here, if price continues to hold bearish, then I'll target that low all the way there. Turn up the volume for me, okay, 2 minute burst, 1 minute burst. We have a 15 minute high, very close here. 4 hour closed bearish. I mean, this is like PO3 building up. I wouldn't really trust this thing to go all the way higher, but let's just take longs and see if it continues holding. Turn up the volume for me, okay. 500 over 100, that's 5 minutes exactly, and I'll have this here, stop at this low, target profit most likely at these relatively highs here, or these highs here as well. Yeah, is it 5 though? No, it should be 2, gang. It should be 2 micros. 2 minutes actually. Let's sell 3 of it. 3. Let's actually add 1 micro and see. I mean 1 mini. 570, okay. Now this will be a crazy one. Yeah, I think I'm going to close the break even, because obviously you can see that we are rejecting a 15 minute. Wait, we are rejecting a 15 minute gap, so if we inverse instead, I will be taking shorts. So this was like just a small scalp position, but I can see how the PO3 of this candle is building after this crazy bearish break lower. So I don't know if I would try longing it here. I would rather short it instead in this kind of market. Okay, gets another push higher, and then reject again. I wonder if it's now going to be serious. We get a 1 minute and 2 minute inversion. We have some rolls here, so that will mean that it might take a short setup somewhere around here. So the short setup will be how many? 3 minis short as well. Let's see if we can hit this low here. After this candle, I'm very sure I can't trust anything, because look at how what ES did here, leaving behind the SMT. So here we are absolutely cooked. So we get cooked on longs after doubting that price could hold this inversion. And then where will the PY be? The daily? Okay. Turns out that was the turning point of price. So we were absolutely cooked on this day. Let's push to the next day and see if price will continue pushing. Okay, so the next day is also bullish. As I would expect, we have an unfilled 4-hour gap, which I think price could be about to tap into. Unfilled 4 is actually very close to this low here. The 30-minute is rejecting. 15-minute has a very clear gap that's rejecting, so I think I will take shorts if price shows me that it still wants to go to this low. But other than that, I will still keep on taking longs towards these highs here. Now that will basically be it. Let's just wait and see. So right at the open, price runs the low, and then we start to reverse without inversions. Come on, you are not leaving anything behind here. It's a 4-hour unfilled though. As you can see, we are already in the 4-hour, and ES is also doing the same thing. We have no gap at all, so I wonder where we will be taking longs at. Okay, now we have an inversion. Let's see if it will reject or inverse this thing. Okay, we get a very beautiful inversion right before 10 a.m. so we might as well just take it and let the PO3 do its thing while we are targeting these liquidity. So we have this high here. The reason I targeted that one is because it's close to this gap here, and we have some good rows here that were built up. Low risk liquidity. Okay, so here, okay, that's 3 again, 3 minis. Okay, now stop will be here to profit at the high. Turn up the 5s up on. Okay, now I'm trailing, and take profit gets hit for a very beautiful 1.85 R, giving us how much in profit? I think it was like 800, if not 1k. It was close to a 2R. So very beautiful trade. So far January is not going bad at all, because we are 11 days into January obviously, but we can make it even better. Turn up the volume. Okay, let's start of the new day. Start the day bearish, heading lower. So that obviously means the price is still bullish. Now after having a very good run on liquidity lower, now I'd like to say push higher after this gap here holds, if the gap holds. Yeah, I think that will be it. But there's also a very huge 4 hours, so I mean this 4 could hold and then price starts going lower. So gotta have room for both opportunities to play out and see what price tells us. And according to how the open is moving, we might be about to get a run lower, then rejection, price pushes higher later. Let's see, there goes the SMT, there goes the 1 minute inversion, and I'm going to take longs I'm going to take a stab at longs after this inversion, targeting like the 930 high, which is close to these relatively equal highs here. So I'll be targeting here. I'd like to take longs after this. We have is it like a 4 hour, 1 hour, or anything? It's a daily gap. I don't know. Yeah, we're still in the daily gap. Yeah, and if price is truly bullish, I mean, I would like to see it continue higher. Yeah, I think I will be trading the reversal, but we have to try it out to see if it will actually work or if we are wrong. So take profit at this high. My stop will be around 8 points, so 3 macros long, I mean 3 minis long again, and the stop will be somewhere here. I wanted to give it more room to breathe, and take profit will be at this high. Turn up the vibe, whoa, yes, has moved way too far from the target, so I think my position might be closed anytime soon because there's an SMT here. Yeah, and then price ends up hitting the target. Wow, did I expect that? Absolutely. Should I have closed the position when I saw that ES had run the high? Very much. Did I close it? No. Why? I am dumb. I mean, no, I am not dumb, but just done a damn thing there. It's a bad decision. Okay, get us now a small 5-minute gap retracement, so that obviously means the price is going to continue high. Okay. Another 5-minute gap retracement, which is not followed by an inversion. We get the inversion here. Let's see if we can get some one-to-ones. We're gonna hit that high though. Okay, so 500 over 6 times 2, 12, so that's 120. 4 minis long. Targeting this high there to see if this 5-minute gap will continue higher. Okay, we get a $660 profit right there. That's locked in way too easily, way too quickly. And then if price retraces lower to our stop, so as long as we took our own piece of the pie, that is enough. Let's see how the next day goes. It's like we are actually ranging around. We don't have any clear direction as of now. We are still in this gap. This kind of looks so bearish that actually we've inversed here, so I wouldn't like to consider it bearish. I'd like to see this gap here hold instead. So my rows will be here and here. This is a premium gap here holding, son. But I mean, you just have to wait and see. There are so many things that are fighting right now. Let's see the liquidity pool that gets run. If there's a POI, then obviously there's a short opportunity. As of now, I can see that this pool here has got run, the pool that was above this London highs, and maybe reversals could start now, but nope. We also get another run here. Price is flying. Okay, so I think I'll take a stab at longs. Since price has decided to hold bullish, next retracement I will be in for longs, but we're not getting any. That's the problem. And yeah, we closed so bullish, very bullish. Now I wonder where price is going to head to. Let's see, we have this high here, we have, well, this one was hit, so that will be my next draw. And if price still wants to go higher, I've got like a 5-minute gap retracement, it would be great. Also get a 5 and 15-minute gap retracement. And price event continues lower, and I still am bullish. I'm still bullish. Okay, you get a good 1-minute inversion from the 15-minute gap retracement. So I still think longs towards this high will be valid after this inversion is holding. So it will be something like this with my stop at this here. That will be 18, so 500 over 180, 3 minis long for a 2.6 hour trade, high risk trade. So yeah, well, no risks, no rewards, so we just have to wait, and we are out. Wait, nope, yeah, we are now out. Looks like we are getting cooked now. So after stopping, that's how it consolidates for a while in the 15-minute gap very indecisively, and then later heads to take profit. Oh, this is what I hate about trading, but it's okay, it's manageable. Anyways, price is still pushing higher. We are rejecting this gap here and continuing higher. I would like to see more draws here, like, I don't know, this high here, a couple more 4-hour highs where price will hit and continue higher. Okay, I think I will use like 15-minute draws, 15-minute POIs here. Wow, that was a crazy shoot. I think there was like some sort of news at that time. So 1 hour closed bearish, bullish, 4 hour closed bullish as well. So PO3 retracement lower, then we get a push higher. Okay, we were so close to running this low. Then we run it. So retracement into the 15. I would like to see close inside, but it fails to. So maybe it's a 30-minute gap retracement, I don't know. Because I think price still looks bullish, but it's dropping so heavily that, yeah, the bullishness is obviously wrong, and it's running the 930 low. Then after running the 930 low, wow, this thing is actually really volatile. 930 low, many orders get put in that there is this strong liquidity. You get a very beautiful inversion. We are in the 30-minute gap still, so we can still take a stab at longs. Turn up the volume for me. Now I wonder if we can do it like 5 or 15-minute gaps. I think 15-minute premium gap will be okay. This, literally this. Turn up the volume for me, cause again. So 1.8 hour trade, high risk because we have a very small stop, but it is well. If this is not a 5-minute gap, that will reject, because if this 5-minute inverses, we are good. If it doesn't, we are cooked. Yeah, we are cooked. This 5-minute failed to inverse. How dumb of it. And it's a 30-minute inversion. Yeah, shorts are still in play. Okay, let's go to the next day. Can't keep holding through these consolidations and stuff. well, mood trading, you can actually switch to futures, man. But forex is also easy. I mean, just a matter of experiences, because futures, they aren't easy as well. But I mean, you can just try them out, and if they work for you, you stick with them. Turn up the volume for me. Okay, so we are on another day prices and a very beautiful gap here. 4 hour is also pushing higher, and the 1 hour is okay. We're run lower with a very beautiful SMT as well and an inversion. So I mean, I would like to see price continue higher. We have Asia highs right here, very close to them, so we might just run them right at the open. Okay, 931 drops, run the low here, leaving behind a bearish SMT, and then we get an inversion inside here, and the 2-minute also inverse, and we can target higher. We can also take it a little bit up and take these highs as well. Let's just try it out for longs. So target will be here, stop will be around here. That will be 6 times 2, 12, 500 over 120. So that's 4 minis long for 2.2 hour. Let's see if it hits or if we get cooked again. Damn, we're gonna get wigged out. Banger take profit right there. 2 hours secured in the bag. So that will be really great. Essentially will be really fire. Even though the emotions during this fluctuation here, I think it will hit my break even. It's very possible, because after price has hit this high, I trail. Maybe I should change it after price has, I don't know, closed above. Yeah, we'll see. BBDC. So a very beautiful bias play out today, and price is still continuing higher, and this is a very good 4-hour rejection. You can see that after the 4 close this bullish, the next thing you would expect is like PO3 to print out towards, I don't know, like these highs here. So we have a 15-minute gap retracement, and yeah, so I think price is going to head to these highs here, obviously. Yeah, it's failing to do so. Very crazy consolidation inside here. Another 30-minute candle opens, and we hit the high after years of waiting. Okay, not bad at all, not bad. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to end the session here. Shout out to everyone who showed up. Mood trading, it was nice having you back, man. It has been long, and have a great night, and keep pushing, keep grinding. We are, as long as we are still alive, we still have the chance to make things happen. So until next time, which is obviously tomorrow, the 18th of January, Sunday, have a great time. Stay blessed. Peace.